welcome back to my channel. I hope that you are all really well. Seeing as so many of you are going on Disney trips, either in the next couple of weeks or months, honestly I cannot believe the amount of you that are going to be out there at the same time over the next few months. I'm thinking about my packing and just things that I've learned over the last few trips of like what are essentials. So I thought that would be the perfect time for me to do a little pack my carry-on with me. I'm terrified of my case getting lost, and obviously when you go to Disney you do take a lot of precious things with you, so that is where a carry-on case I feel like can come in so handy. I have just got a new suitcase which I am so excited about. Thought that would be a perfect time to share some tips with you. So without further ado, I want to get into telling you about my new suitcase and why I've chosen this one, because I do think picking the right suitcase for a long haul flight can really make a difference, but also some of my carry-on essentials. Let's get into it! When I saw this, I couldn't believe that it was ticking all the boxes. So I have kindly been gifted this from LEVEL8 Suitcases, and they have basically sent me this suitcase to try. It has actually already been tested for a little weekend away before I filmed this. We just couldn't resist, and actually my husband has been demanding that he wants this for the trip because he's loving it so much. Not only that, but he happens to have trainers that match the colourway. So this is the LEVEL8 Voyageur case. Look at the colourway. I absolutely love this colour combo because it's so understated and neutral and smart. However, they do have other colours if something more fancy appeals to you guys. They have yellow, they've got a dark olive, some really nice options. It's got quite a minimal, aesthetically pleasing design, as I was saying. So I'm going to tell you about some of the features on this, and then I'm going to show you how easy it is to pack and fit all your essentials in there. So first of all, as you can see, it is a hard case suitcase, my favourite. For me, with all of kind of like my fragile bits and like prized possessions, I cannot risk having a soft case. Like, what if all my toiletries get squished? What if my Loungeflies get squished, okay? I'm sure you guys with all of your numerous Disney ears also understand the pressure of making sure that they arrive to the other side safely. So this one is lightweight, durable, and designed to withstand impact, which is music to my ears because I was actually gutted. After returning home from my last flight, I got my case back and they had managed to like crack all down the side. It's got ultra quiet wheels that are spinny ones. Oh, I cannot stand the ones that just go back and forth. I love the ones that kind of maneuver all around, because when you're rushing through the airport, racing to your gate, you need to get a wriggle on, don't you? This is made from German, I'm gonna have to read it, German Macrolon polycarbonate, which sounds very fancy, and that is what makes it lightweight yet durable. Can you see this texture? I don't know if you can see the texture, but basically it's kind of like grained, and I really like that because when in the past I've had the smooth kind of like glossy ones and they just look battered within the first use because they get so scratched and scuffed. So this is going to be so durable. It has a really wide handle, which is the key to making sure, and I will show you in a minute on the inside, to making sure the inside hasn't got kind of like those ridges that make it so hard to pack things, especially your Loungeflies, so the base is completely flat. If you're on the hunt for a new suitcase as well, whether that be a carry-on or a full size, and you're quite liking the look of this one and want to have a look at different colours and kind of options they have, I do have a discount code which I'm going to pop on screen now, and that basically works on the website. Something else that I think is really important to know is that these suitcases come with a lifetime guarantee, which is crazy. I think that just shows how confident LEVEL8 are in their products, because when do you ever get a good lifetime guarantee anymore? Looking forward to having a case that is going to be durable and perfect for my long haul flights. It also has a security feature, so obviously you can set your passcode, unlock it, and the zips pop out, which I just think is brilliant for when you're carrying this through the airport. Knowing this will be secure is just great for peace of mind, isn't it? Guys, I've got the case open now, and first of all, doesn't it look so swish? I literally feel so fancy. I feel like I'm literally going into like business class. But it's got basically this waterproof pocket, opens up at the top, which is great for liquids because look, it's even waterproof on the inside. So yeah, I've got to worry about that. That's going to be great. I'm thinking for things like some of my body sprays and my toothpaste and things that I like to take on the flight with me. Then you've got another pocket here, which I think is just great. the whole section, which look is basically completely flat. Usually there's always like these bars running beneath them, which is just so annoying for a Disney trip especially. Now for the other side, the space is just really maximised in here. My Loungeflies are going to fit so well in there. The wheels are honestly so smooth. Like, look at me, I can swirl this around. It's literally so exciting. I cannot wait to get a whip on in the airport with this. With this waterproof here, I think it's great for also thinking that you can pop your swimming cozies and stuff in there when often you haven't had time to dry out, even a wet towel. I just want to show you guys the texture. It's going to be great for scratch resistance and it's really durable. So should we get packing? And I'm going to share with you my essentials, which you can probably see a few in the background. First thing I'm going to show you guys is the Loungefly and how well they fit in here. This shows that I could fit 4 in here easily. Examples, you can see how I'd be packing them. Oh my god, look at that. Perfect for my ears. That makes a Disney girl very, very happy. Our toiletries in. My outfit. Let's sit on the top. Look at that, I've still got so much room. I'm literally going to fit so much in here when traveling. I'm so excited. I tend to go out with my case emptier, so then I've got room to kind of like cram everything in coming back. So I probably pop a lot of my merch in here that I was worried about losing, especially fragile bits. Usually I'm really struggling to fold these up. Those in. And we are good to go. Oh my god, and I can still lift it as well. Excellent. Okay guys, so that is everything I would pack in my Level 8 case. Thank you so much to Level 8 for sending me this case and supporting me with this video. It is greatly appreciated. I am so excited to take this with us on our next trip, but also I've been so impressed already when we used it for our weekend away, and I'm going to try to fight my husband for it because he's got his eye on this. He really wants it. Yeah, I'm so impressed with the durability, the lightweightness, the wheels, the colour. I just think that this is such a good investment piece. As I said before, I do have a discount code that I will pop again on the screen for you guys. It works on their website, so please do have a browse. But I just feel like investing in a good travel case that will see you through many trips for many years really is beneficial. I'm looking forward to having something that is durable and easy to use. If you like this content and you want to see more pack with me videos or kind of like things that I think are beneficial for a Disney trip or any trips to be fair, comment below and let me know, and maybe consider subscribing so you see my face on the list when there is a new video. I would absolutely love to see you back here. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!